What's up, guys? Johnny Mags from Johnny Mags Barbecue and Pit Life Barbecue. Welcome back. Just hanging out here. Excuse my appearance. Been chopping some wood for the old fireplace, getting that ready to go. So figured it's gonna need something to eat. So we're gonna do some chicken thighs on the Weber kettle with the Vortex with the new Uncle Steve Shake competition bird powder. So stick around. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. We are ready to rock and roll. Got the thighs all lined up. And like I said, we're going with Uncle Steve's competition bird powder, pig powder. Come on now. So the smell is fantastic. So let's get rolling here. It looks like a little thicker of a grind, not as fine. So not technically powdery, but got some nice chunks of pepper you can see. So give a quick little coat on the back. Don't got my gloves, so I'm gonna hear from my brother Jared from Frack Daddy Barbecue. You're not wearing gloves? No, sir. Not competition. Not doing this. Is just strictly eating. Little piece of bone. Quick dusting, nothing crazy. All right, so we'll let these sweat in for a little bit, and we'll get the Weber fired up, and we'll bring you back when it's time to get them on. Stick around. All right, guys and gals, we're back. And of course, it's starting to rain, but hey, whatever. Not a big deal. So we got the kettle fired up with the Vortex. She is cranking, so we are ready to go. So let's get these bad boys on. Gotta love the sizzle. Yep. Almost on that one. There we go. All right, so we're gonna give these a little while, and we'll bring you back and check the progress. All right, gang, we're about a half hour in. So it's raining a little bit, but the Vortex is cranking. It's a little over 400. I actually just climbed it a little bit. Let's give a quick peek on what we got here. Oh, hell yeah. That looks tremendous. So give it a little while. We'll come out and we'll do some temps at the end of this, and we'll bring you on back. All right, guys, we're back. The thighs are done. They smell incredible. They look incredible. Let's get you in on that. Sorry, I need lighting. Maybe Santa will bring me some real lights for Christmas. But look you got the juice there. I saw it dripping. There you go. Get in on that. Fantastic. So I suppose it's time for me to do my traditional burn the hell out of my mouth. So, here goes nothing. Obviously, hot, not bite through the skin, but man, that flavor is phenomenal. Uncle Steve, you outdid yourself. Competition bird powder. Get you some. Hands down. Awesome. That flavor. Get a little peppery, savory, incredible. Competition bird powder. Well, that's it this week, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming back. If you're not, new subscriber, new viewer, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I appreciate it. Thank you, each and every one of you. And until next time, keep the smoke rolling.